Hey guys, today I'm going to be posting a video. I know it's pretty insane. Today I'm doing a big change. I'm making a Rubik's Cube video. It's pretty different from what I usually do. So to assemble the 4x4, first I must disassemble the 4x4, so I show you how you do it. Alright, when the cube is all disassembled, you will be left with just a core, and now we can start the assembly. To start, you need to get all of the white corners and get a couple of these edges, and now you need to make the first layer. Once you're done, you should make sure that all the white corners are facing down, and if your cube is non-magnetic, you can use tape to hold these together. Next, put this thingy, the core, inside of here. Spread it apart a little bit, put the core in, and close it off just like this. This is just to make sure that the pieces that you're gonna put in next don't fall off. Now take these pieces and put them in here. Also make sure these pieces on the center are elongated, just so that it's easier in the long run. So just put these in here and do that with all four of them. Now the next thing that you could do is put these pieces under here. I just find that to be way more painful, so I'm not doing that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take these ones right away, and I can put those ones, I can take them out and then do it at the end. So, but if you want to do it right now, you can. I just find them really stupid and annoying. So I'm just gonna put this right here and then fill the second layer in basically. Just a tip, make sure to not move these centers. If they are like diagonal like this, don't move them, because that will mess with these pieces and they'll try and pop out. It's very annoying, but that's just the way it is. Next step is just to take these pieces and put them in here and fill in with these ugly pieces. They're very tiny and very stupid. Do that with all the sides, and yeah. Once you're done doing this, now all we need to do is build the third layer. It's very self-explanatory. All you do is you put in the edges. It's basically the same as the second layer. So you put in the edges and then these center pieces, and then you just build a fat ring all around here. All right, now the third layer is done, and now the next part might be a little bit weird. Well, after this part, so we put in these pieces, which is very easy. You just put them in, even though I really just despise these pieces. I don't know what's the history, man, with me and these pieces, but I just really don't like them. Once you've gotten these pieces in, now we need to get this one and another stupid piece. This is probably why I hate these pieces, because this is probably the most annoying step in the entire assembly process. You need to get these in between this center right here. So like pull it up and then get them in between here. So the way that I do this actually is I hold the center up with my fingers like this, and I also hold this piece, and then I'll take this piece and I'll slide it in. And that's the easiest way that I've found to do it. It's not too hard, and there we go. That was first try. Not too hard, but it's still pretty annoying. Now just take these edge pieces and put them around here, and then take these corner pieces and make sure all the yellows are facing up, and basically you're just gonna build the entire layer. The way that I always found is easiest is to get these two and then these two centers, so these pieces can go in right next to them like this, and then the other one can go right here. And then basically you just take the annoying pieces again, and you can even rotate it like this. It's kind of weird, but you can do this and then put the pieces in. This one fell out, oopsie. Now that these are in, I can just take these edges and then put them in like this, and then get the other centers and the edges. So I got these two centers in, and now I just flip the cube the other way so that I can put this one in down here. Really makes no difference, but now I'll just take this. This is the last big piece like this, and you kind of have to hold this one up and then shove the piece in and hope that the cube doesn't pop. And there we go, I got it in. First try, easy. Let's go, man. Now put it in the corners and make sure, of course, yellow is facing on top, so up here, just like that. Oh whoops, this yellow one is not facing up. There we go. Now it's facing up. Now just get these edges, put them in here, and now we're all done with this side. We can rotate to this side, and this should be pretty easy. You just need to disassemble all of this, and then basically do the same thing that we did with the other last layer. So as you can see, this is why I do not worry about putting in the tiny pieces, because I just find it more annoying and I have to disassemble it anyways. So it's much easier this way. So I guess I'll just go over it one more time. This piece goes in, and repeat that 3 more times. Then you want to hold the center and this big piece with your hand, and then put this one in like this, There we go. Build this kind of tiny U shape, put in the centers, rotate the cube like this, and now put in these pieces. Now put in all of these pieces. And also, now that I think about it, it really didn't matter in the beginning there when I said to make white face down, because we were just going to disassemble it all again and then do it again. But now you really need to make sure that white is facing up. But anyway, just put in, you know, these pieces. Now everything should be pretty simple. We put in this one, and then we do this step one more time where we put the big piece inside. Frick moment. Okay, finally. Now get the white pieces, make them face up, and put them in like this. And then this white one facing up as well, like this. And now it's very easy. This one, and the last piece is this one. Now you've assembled the 4x4, very easy, very cool. And now just solve the cube. It should be completely solvable. You won't have to take anything apart. Just solve it now. All right, there we go. Fully functional 4x4. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and sub, and also bye.